Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Northgard on Android. This popular strategy game immerses you in a world of Norse mythology, challenging you to lead your Viking clan to prosperity. You will manage essential resources, expand your territory, and engage in strategic combat. The game offers a rich experience, blending elements of city building with tactical warfare, all optimized for your mobile device. Get ready to embark on an epic journey. To begin your adventure, first navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Northgard. Once located, proceed with the download and installation. Before playing, confirm your device meets the recommended specifications for optimal performance. After installation, launch the application. The game will guide you through an introductory tutorial, which is crucial for understanding the basic controls and core mechanics. Take your time with this initial setup. Northgard's core gameplay revolves around managing three primary resources: food, wood, and crones. You must strategically assign your villagers to various jobs such as farmers, woodcutters, or loremasters to ensure efficient production and growth. Exploration is key to discovering new territories, valuable resources, and potential threats. Simultaneously, you must fortify your settlement and train warriors to defend against hostile creatures and the aggressive advances of rival Viking clans. For advanced play, selecting one of the several unique clans is vital, as each offers distinct bonuses and playstyles. A strong economic foundation is paramount. Prioritize resource generation and population growth before committing heavily to military expansion. Always be prepared to adapt your strategy, as map layouts, seasonal changes, and random events can significantly impact your game. Finally, understanding and mastering the unique abilities of your combat units will give you a significant advantage in battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.